Welcome to Filmit.io. I'm Max and I'll give you a quick tour. By this point, you've gotten through your tour and you've installed all your tools through Filmit Studio. Once you do get to your desktop application, this is what it looks like. Very simple and straightforward. You have your dashboard where we have all of our news and updates, your tools section so you can browse and check out all the different tools, and plenty more sections to browse through and check out. Now to start using any tool you want inside of After Effects or Premiere Pro, it's very simple. Once Filmit Studio has gone through its installation process, all you have to do is open up Premiere Pro or After Effects. If it's already open, you just need to restart it. Go to Window, Extensions, and then Filmit Studio. Filmit Studio opens up like so. Now to launch any tool that you're after, just click Open, and it opens up as a native panel inside of Premiere Pro or After Effects. Let's open Rough Cut, and let's squish down Filmit Studio so it looks like so. Now you have a nice, quick, and easy toolkit to browse all your different tools. Now inside of Filmit Studio, you can also apply effects and transitions in Premiere, effects inside of After Effects. Just click the Effect panel, and then click Apply with footage selected, and it will apply an effect for you. Here's the VHS effect. Also inside of Premiere Pro and After Effects, as you would expect, you can go to the Effect panel inside of Premiere or After Effects, type in Filmit, and all of our Filmit effects pop up all here, Filmit effects, and the Filmit transitions, so you can drag and drop onto your footage. And from here, at any point in time, you can click your little profile icon right here and browse through the settings panel. You can join the Discord, join the Reddit. If you have a problem with Filmit Studio or any plugin, you can literally contact support through here by clicking Contact Support and submitting a support ticket. We respond very quickly and the team is very active. Also, you can join the Discord, like I said, to talk with us live, or join the Reddit community where we post and update everyone online. Now, when Filmit Studio has an update, you'll notice an update banner that pops up through here. It'll ask you to open Filmit Studio just like so, and you can update Filmit Studio from here. And at any point in time, if you get signed out of Filmit Studio Desktop or the app, you can just sign right back in through here. Thanks for trying out Filmit Studio and let us know what you think.